Shout out to all the veterans out there that have served our country in the past, and shout out to everybody who's serving our country today. Happy Memorial Day, people. I just wanted to let you know that we are currently en route to an awesome place. I'm going to link up with a friend who will then link us up with another friend who is going to take us to do something awesome. I'm super excited. This weekend is a special weekend for numerous reasons. Obviously for the people who have served our country, you know, to be able to remember them and take time out for them and to celebrate them. But it also marks the beginning of summer. So, with that being said, I freaking love summer. I freaking love summer, and I love it hot. I love it hot, and I love the summer, and I love something else. It starts with an H. It ends in O, with a 2 in the middle. But earlier this week, a friend of mine told me that a friend of his has about 5 of these things, and that he would possibly be riding them this Saturday. And so he asked me if I wanted to go, and I was like, spitting all over myself. Are you serious? Like, yeah, I want to go. What do you mean, do I want to go? Yes, sign me up for that. Yes, yes, yes. See. So the week went on. It was just, I mean, the work week was fine. It went by pretty fast. Today I asked him, hey, did you ask your friend, talk to your guy? Did you hit him up? You know, what's the status? And he was like, I actually didn't talk to him. I'm gonna hit him up today. We might be going today. He was like, if we went today, would that be an issue? I was like, spitting all over myself. No, if we go today, yes, sign me up for that. So he hit me up about 3 saying we would be going at 4:30, and so now I'm on my way there, and I'm super excited. So come along, would you? Would you come along with us? Would you just follow us? Would you please? That was a really subtle hint that I just gave you guys. Let's see if you can guess what it is. Let me know in the comments below. If we tip, I'm blaming you.
Are we going this way?
Are we going this way? If we tip, I'm blaming you, bro. This water's cold as hell. Look. Damn, son, this is perfect. I already picture myself falling off. I feel like you're gonna drive crazy. It's slowing down. That's all the way punch. Yeah. I'm holding on. I'm good.
I'm scared I'm gonna fall. That's why.
Oh, no, you're good, I think. You just trust it. Bro, we got look.
I'm not gonna fall. It's not gonna.
I don't think so. I don't feel like we're gonna.
I think it's fine. It's best if you go about 30 or 40 and just stick it out, man.
Straight?
Is it safe or will I fall?
If you fall, the engine will cut off. Just, you know, keep it out. It's better if the boat stays upright.
said it's a lot. What?
It's safer back here.
Bro, that is so fun. My eyes are watering like a mother. I didn't hit any bugs, surprised. People paid $90, $100 an hour, half hour for this at Rudy Inlet.
And it probably wasn't that fast.
Yeah, heck no.
They give you the neutered one.
Yeah. The governor on it or something.
Well, that's got a supercharger on it.
Dude.
That's that, if you rev it, you hear that boom boom.
Yeah. Oh, I was at 60 and
Mile an hour?
I could have gone
It
faster.
goes like 70.
What
yeah.
the heck, yo?
I like
the best. That is ridiculous, yo. Huh?
You got back on though, huh?
Oh, nice.
Trying to avoid the pride.
Yeah, he was trying to get on me. Damn, that was awesome. How the hell you do that?
Get on. Yeah, we'll hold the nose down.
Okay.
Get the slow speeds there.
Bro.
Right turn.
How'd you stay up? How'd you stay with us? How'd you stay with us? I couldn't.
There's a beach kind of over there too. Having fun in that little thing?
You know it.
Anywhere else you want to go? This is a fun place to mess around here. Could we switch back? I want to pull some stuff out of that one anyway, so just come over here close and kill it. Yeah, kill it. You'll be all right. Yeah, we'll catch you. Go ahead and kill it. Kill it. Not now. Yeah, come back around. Come back around. Get forward. That's pretty good. Yeah. Nice job. Just take it easy. You pull too hard, it will tip you right over. It's okay. It's okay.
A little close there.
Before you fire it up, keep the key out really quick. I'm gonna put my hand out here.
wow. I was about to say. Now it's gonna be beach if you stayed on.